Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about incense. I have been an incense fan for as long as I can remember. I have been started buying incense when I was a teenager and never really stopped. So I was at Walmart the other day, where else, right? My favorite store. And I was cutting through an area to get to another section of the store, and I walked down the aisle where they have the candles and incense. And I never really paid attention to that section before. And boy, am I glad that I cut through there because I bought a couple of packages of incense. I got Full Moon and Nag Champa. They had another one too called Dragon's Blood, and I didn't really care for the smell of that, so I didn't buy that. But I took a chance and I bought these, and I love them. They're only $1, so that's even cheaper than Dollar Tree incense. And you get 40 in a box, which is a decent amount. And they have two different kinds. They have the regular incense. By the way, these are cones. That's what I prefer because they're less messy, but they do have stick incense too if you like that. Yeah, I like cone incense better because it burns down and then it doesn't go all over the place the way cone incense, the way stick incense does. But this is just the regular incense right here. So they have that type. And then they also have backflow cones, which, to be honest with you, I'd never even heard of that, didn't know what it was. But these are shorter, and when you burn them, the smoke comes up and then it spirals back down. So if you use incense for meditation, these are really pretty to watch when they burn. And you could definitely use this as a focal point if you're into meditation. But I feel like the full-size ones are a better deal. But I don't know if every scent is available in both regular and backflow, but you can check that out if you're interested. My husband loves incense too. He likes to burn incense out in the yard when he's doing yard work. He just enjoys the aroma. But I like to burn it, I don't know, just any time that I feel like smelling something good. I have several different types of incense burners, and I even made some myself. I did a video about that many years ago. But right now, the incense burner that I'm using is one that I bought somewhere, I don't remember, because I've bought incense burners from many different places, and they've been given to me as gifts from people over the years, so I have a few of them. But I wanted to let you know about this because these smell really good, and the full-size one lasts a long time, and I think 40 in a box for a $1 is an incredible deal, especially where they're ones that smell good. Now, what do these smell like? That's really hard to describe. Nag Champa is a very common Indian type incense scent that is spicy, woodsy, and then the full moon is also spicy and woodsy, but in a different sort of way. Um, Now, they only have three scents to choose from at Walmart. So if you are looking for a place to buy incense where there are tons and tons to choose from in terms of variety, I would recommend Patel Brothers, which is a chain of Indian grocery stores, and they have them in, I don't know how many there are in the country, but there are many. I have one, fortunately, right down the street from me. I used to be really, really into Indian food. I used to make it from scratch every single day. I did that for 2 years, and then we just kind of got burnt out on it. And now I can't really have it anymore because I'm on this low oxalate diet. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're new to my channel, I did a video all about oxalates in food and how dangerous it is for some people like myself who had a allegedly had a kidney stone. The reason why I say that is I never passed it and it just kind of disappeared. So I personally think my CAT scan was misread and that I had a kidney cyst, because 2 days after I got back from the hospital, I had even worse pain than when I went to the hospital. And then it just, nothing bothered me anymore. I had no more symptoms. So, yeah, I think I had a kidney cyst, because if it was a stone, it wouldn't have gone away. It would have continued to give me problems until I passed it. So, I don't know. I guess that was kind of a blessing in disguise, although that was no picnic either. It was extremely painful. But, anyways, back to what I'm saying. Patel Brothers is a chain of Indian grocery stores, and yeah, I can't eat Indian food anymore because there are many things in that type of cuisine that are high in oxalates. So unfortunately, I can't eat Indian food anymore. So I guess it's a good thing I did eat it for as long as I did. But there's a lot of things that I can't eat anymore. Spinach being the worst thing. Nuts, beans, lentils, so many things. But if you're interested in what I'm talking about, check that out. Go to my channel page and just type in oxalates, Oxalates, and you'll find that video that I did about that. I didn't really know anything about oxalates until I had an alleged kidney stone. Um, so they talked about that when I went to my urologist appointment for my like follow up from when I was at the hospital. But anyways, this video is not about that. It's about incense. Um, so if you like incense, $1 incense at Walmart for their mainstays, which is like their house brand of incense. And if you want a lot of incense to choose from at a good, reasonable price, it's not $1, but it's still a really good deal. Patel Brothers Indian grocery stores have an amazing selection of hem incense, which is a very well-known Indian incense brand. So if you just want variety, then check that out. But honestly, $1 for mainstays. I'm just going to alternate back and forth between Nag Champa and Full Moon, but they're both like spicy, woodsy types of smells. Dragon's Blood, I don't know, I didn't care for that. I think it was floral, and if you like floral scents, you might like that, but it's not for me. So if you're into incense, what do you buy? Where do you buy it? How much are you willing to spend for incense? Because there's a lot of choices out there and many places where you can buy it. My favorite scents that I don't currently have are patchouli. Actually, do I have some patchouli sticks? Where did I get those from? I think I got them at Dollar Tree, which, that's obviously a good deal too. $1.25, $1.50, depending on whether your Dollar Tree has raised their prices or not. That's also a good deal. And their incense is pretty good at Dollar Tree. I mean, it's not outstanding, it's not great, but it's pretty good, especially for that price. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for all the love and support that you guys give me on a daily basis. I really appreciate it. And just a reminder, tomorrow is the day that Dolly Parton's lipsticks launch on her website. And thanks to your generosity, I will be getting one of those. I really appreciate all the donations you guys have been giving me, because it's going to help me show you things that I otherwise would not be able to. I found something yesterday at a store, and because I had gotten some donations recently, I'm going to be able to show you something else really cool that just came out as well soon. Bye. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.